Alright guys, today we're gonna work on the Renault Dauphine. Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the Renault Dauphine, seeing if we have any issues internally in the engine, and pretty much tear down, see what we have to work with, and make sure that we're not just kind of blindly going into this project thinking that we're gonna be able to just slap parts together and make a running engine. Alright guys, so today we're working on getting this motor out. I want to get all the stuff away from it. So the previous owner, you could tell that he riveted this, like basically cut this grill booty end out to put in this 688-02 engine, which is an 1108cc, which is not the original. Like, these Renaults did not come with 1108s. And so we're here. I've got that graciously taken off piece, quick release or whatever. Which is kind of good because it'll help you out now, but eventually I want to put this back right the way it's meant to be. And yeah, so I am taking out this, what I'm assuming is basically a heater box. It just takes the hot air from the engine coolant and whatever, and then, but yeah, it's got this cool filter on it, which I guess would be a cabin air filter, modern version of. It's pretty sick. And yeah, so it's just 2 bolts right there, and take this off. Taking the black cloth fan out. Ow, shit. There you go, buddy. And you look like straight garbage. It's not that bad. This thing is older than both of us combined. What is it? 61. Not years, but, well, low-key, it's older than that. So 40, 60. Yeah, 61 years old. What do you have to say? He said, damn daddy, bro. Chill with all that. But yeah, that's where it's mounted. I think it's makeshift because this engine is not original to the car.
60 years old.
Alright guys, so we have the engine ready to come on. Not ready, but willing and able. Put some light on these. You can see it's parting from the transmission right there. That's just a nut. Don't worry about that guy. Or a stud, I guess. I don't know. I did find a crack in the block right here. You can see right on the mating surface, and it goes down to the, I guess that's the cooling thingy. Jets? I don't know what they are. But we're gonna start shaking it loose. Of course, don't forget to label all your connectors based on where they came from. Here you go, buddy. Thank you. Shine bright like a diamond. Is it coming up?
It feels like this something holding me back.
Seriously? No, it's coming up more. It's better. Maybe it's this. Yeah, this is out. So that's all that's left. Which side?
There's something on here, right here. Is that a stud?
That's a stud, yeah.
And you sure there's nothing underneath?
No, I checked that.
Push it one more time.
You can see, look how far it's come off from the... Is it in frame?
It's probably the you know what?
Flex plate?
No, the thing that connects the clutch to the
Flywheel?
No, nigga.
Oh, the fork?
Yes, it's probably you gotta push it out a little bit more. To this
Which one? This way?
Yeah.
Ow! Fucking bumped my head, bro.
Point.
Yes!
Yeah, you see?
You got a video? Oh, thank God.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah.
See, that's what I was talking about, and I
Yeah.
was right.
That's not a clutch fork though, but that's a
same shit.
What the fuck is this? Oh.
Shit. I thought you said label your stuff.
I know what that is. It's the fuel.
Now, you know what it is right now. 6 months down the line. Okay, yeah, now come up. There's something caught up here. I don't know what it is.
I'm gonna move back more.
Let me do what I do best.
Nothing. Yeah, go ahead.
I can pump it up.
Yeah.
Want me to pump it up? Pump it up.
Make sure you film me. Oh my God, we're pulling an engine, bro. Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Inshallah, everything is okay. Keep
Audi,
going.
the Audi is next, you know? This is just the training.
Alright, let's pull it off. You wanna hold?
Let's. Watch your feet.
Hey guys, thanks for making it this far in the video. If you haven't yet, please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, for sure subscribe, for sure like, just to boost the algorithm. It really helps a lot. And yeah, let's get back to it.
Been videoing. Pause. Make sure that she don't fall on you.
Alright, so it's the next morning, or I guess afternoon now. So today's plan is to get the, so today's plan is to get the clutch off, or this pressure plate, and then the flywheel and all that stuff, so that we can mount the engine onto the engine stand over there. And like I said before the other day, there is a crack. You can see that little line right there. It goes down to the back of this. I think it's a crack. I hope it's not, but is that one too? Maybe it isn't a crack. Maybe it's a scratch. I don't know. But it's there, and yeah, we're gonna see some more once we take everything out. I've left the oil filter and all that on, but once we get it off, we'll drain everything, turn it over, undo the pan, you know, kind of organize the parts and stuff. So cool. I'm just trying to like looking at it and seeing how tiny this is. The whole block, like this is, I think it's 2 hands of length. So right there is less than 2 hands long. This is a 1.1 liter, right? So this is like the middle of the Renault lineup at the time. It has been engaging in and out, like clutch wise. It goes into gear, so I think the clutch is okay depending on the friction material. So there is 6 bolts that hold the clutch on. 2 here, 2 here, and 2 there. I think they're a 12 millimeter. Oh no, probably an 11. So I kept calling this a clutch, but that's actually the pressure plate. This is the clutch itself. And you can see it's obviously even smaller than that. I mean, this is like it looks like a grinding disc. That's how small it is, like probably like 7 inches. Yikes. All right, so we got all the bolts off for the flywheel. And oh, there she is. You can see it's real nasty. But yeah, I'm gonna clean this up, and then we're gonna lift it, try to mount it onto the engine stand. So I got this cleaned up. I started brushing my coil here and realized it's actually red. So that's kind of cool, I guess. I wonder if it's the original one. Alright guys, so I got the engine stand mount bolted on. I have the rear main out. I just kind of left it in there because I didn't want to lose it, but it's in there. These are tight. I could only get 3 on just because this engine is so small. Okay, so I did a thing. I can already feel water, which is not good. Well, not that much water. Mostly oil. Yuck. Alright, moment of truth. What's underneath door number 1? Ew. Ew. Jesus Christ. So this is the crank bolt. As you can see, it's not a regular hex head. It's got this slot in it, and it's I don't know, it's got weird shit on it. Anyway, I realized that I don't have anything for this, so what I did was I got a 30 mil socket. I cut a slit in it, and then put this, I don't know what thickness this is, but I matched the thickness to this, kind of like a flathead slot. Put that in there, stuck this on, so it has a, you know, a 1/2-inch wrench hole in there, and basically popped it off. You do have to hold, kind of have the crank held somehow, so I just held the pulley. But if that's not possible, then you might have to wedge something in there. Alright, so got the crank off, and now I've pried off the timing cover. Oh my goodness, do I love looking at this. This is my 1961 Renault Dauphine, and this is the engine, 1.1 liter, 4-cylinder. As you can see, I have the crank almost all the way out. I'm trying to basically take this all out in one assembly. I've actually already taken the bearing caps and all that off, as you can tell. But yeah, that's the progress so far. Let me know if you see anything out of the ordinary outside of the, you know, scoring on these. But so we have made a lot of progress here. I have the engine basically to the bare block. The crank is out. There we are. All the cylinders and sleeves are out. Pistons, connecting rods. Everything's kind of in weird places, but it is very organized, or not very, but somewhat organized. I got everything sort of labeled and blocked together. There's no bolt that's running around here that I don't know where it belongs, sort of situation. So, and And we all know the crank, you can't really, you gotta put that in the box. Plastic. But yeah, we're making progress. There is a lot of corrosion where the cylinder sleeves sat around there. I think all of this is, these are all like cooling channels, and because they sit on the outside of the combustion chamber, so either it had a lot of oil on it or water on it, or they ran water instead of coolant. Pretty much, whether it's distilled or not, it's still a problem. So here it is, guys. But yeah, guys, so it's kind of a bummer to have those cracks in the block, and I really would like to get this thing going, but it just seems like a bit of a money pit to put like a couple grand in parts and putting everything together, and then you still kind of have a low powered 4-cylinder that you can't really boost, and it's, I would really like to work with carburetors and things like that, but it just seems a little bit of a waste to put all that money in and not get it to, because this car, to me, in my hands, I don't think will ever be fully restored. And if it is, then it would definitely have to have a more powerful engine anyway. So I'm thinking of doing a 4-cylinder swap from a front-wheel drive car, most likely 5-6 speed transmission. I'm thinking Honda of some sort. So let me know in the comments, guys, what you guys think we should do. I know there's not a lot of these cars out there, at least not, not a lot of not any aftermarket at all really for these. So yeah, but catch you guys in the next video. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video, and if you haven't seen any other videos on this car, please go check them out on the channel. Like our socials, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us out a lot, and it really doesn't cost you anything. So yeah, don't know what the future holds, but I really want to get this thing back on the road, and I'm ready to really kind of get into it and everything else. If you want to see any other projects that we have, go ahead and check out the rest of the channels and the playlists, and yeah, catch you on the next video.